ommu missieru huma Maltin propju minn ħaż-żabbar. Iżda kienu siefru lejn l-Ingilterra u fl-1973 twieled f'Crawley. Qed nitkellmu fuq Kevin Muscat, coach tat-tim tal-futbol Melbourne Victory, wara karriera jilgħab ma' timijiet Awstraljani u anke Ingliżi. Hekk kif jinsab fuq btala f'pajjiżna, One News tkellem mal-ex plejer tat-tim nazzjonali Awstraljan meta kien mistieden fuq il-programm Żona Dinjija. Fid-dawl li bħalissa tinsab fl-aqwa tagħha t-tazza tad-dinja, staqsejna fuq x'jaħseb mit-tim li kien jarrappreżentaw.
Over the last 4 years we've made some positive inroads and been really positive about the way we play. I think in this World Cup we've reverted back to what and how we've played in years gone by, where it's been really defensive. Having said that, the performances haven't been too bad, but when you defend as long as we have, getting a result and winning games becomes very difficult.
Muscat tista' tgħid li kellu karriera pjuttost interessanti meta tħares lejn it-timijiet li lagħab magħhom. Fost dawn kien hemm Crystal Palace, Wolves u Rangers. Fi kliemu, fl-10 snin li jagħmel jilgħab fir-Renju Unit kien żmien tajjeb u fih agost. Kisba importanti fil-karriera tiegħu kienet meta rnexxielu jilgħab fl-FA Cup Ingliża.
Played in semi-finals with Wolves and also made the final, the FA Cup final with Millwall. So, having watched that competition as a young child in Australia, it was a great, I suppose, memory now to be able to, fulfill a dream of, competing in the competition.
Wara li temm il-karriera ta' plejer fl-2012, Muscat beda jikkowċja lil Melbourne Victory, team li dis-sena rebaħ iċ-championship.
In the last 4 years we've played in 3 finals, winning 2 of them and losing the other one on penalties. But this year was, finishing 4th and then to be able to win the final. It hasn't been done in Australia previously. It's never been done. So there was a great deal of satisfaction, finishing the competition strongly and winning the championship.
U fid-dawl li Kevin Muscat għandu ommu missieru Maltin u allura ġibda lejn pajjiżna jkun hemm bil-fors, ma stajniex ma nsaqsuhx fuq jekk kaċ naraw lil Muscat jikkowċja f'pajjiżna.
Oh, who knows? Who knows? Look, I've got my son with me. James is here with me and he's really enjoying Malta, and it's good to see all my family, my mum and dad's brothers and sisters, and obviously my aunties and uncles and cousins. It's been a good 2 weeks, and look forward to the week that we have remaining here.